In this video, we listed the 5 best wireless keyboards under $300 on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Melgeek Mojo 84 Keyboard. The YOAINGO Melgeek Mojo 84 is a versatile wireless mechanical keyboard designed for gamers and professionals alike, featuring an 84-key layout that supports both USB and Bluetooth connectivity. Made from durable PBT plastic with dye sublimation keycap printing, it boasts a multicolor backlight and hot swappable Gatron switches for customizable performance. This full-size keyboard emphasizes ergonomics and style, making it suitable for desktop and laptop use. The product is CE certified and sourced from mainland China, with options for wholesale and drop shipping available. Customers are encouraged to reach out for assistance with purchase protection and shipping inquiries, and the brand prioritizes customer satisfaction, inviting feedback to enhance service quality. Number 2. Coolkiller CK108 Keyboard. The Coolkiller CK108 is a versatile mechanical keyboard designed for both ergonomics and gaming, featuring a range of specifications aimed at enhancing user experience. With a full-size layout and 109 keys, it utilizes durable PBT plastic keycaps printed through dye sublimation. The keyboard supports hot swappable switches, allowing for easy customization. Connectivity options include Bluetooth and USB, enabling a seamless experience across desktop, laptop, and tablet devices. It also boasts a retro aesthetic complemented by RGB lighting effects, making it visually appealing. Although it does not include wrist support, the design prioritizes ergonomics for comfortable long-term use. Ideal for various applications, the CK108 is appealing to users who value both style and functionality, with wholesale options available for bulk purchases. Number 3. ZENT75 HE Magnetic Keyboard. The Mephish Bluetooth wireless mechanical keyboard is a customized standard keyboard featuring 82 keys and an RGB backlight, making it a stylish choice for desktops, laptops, and tablets. It operates using a magnetic Jade Pro Axis switch and supports all keys as hot swappable, allowing for easy customization and maintenance. Designed for compatibility with both Windows and Mac OS, this keyboard provides a mechanical typing experience with a focus on user-friendly features. Weighing approximately 1 kilogram, it is a practical option for those seeking a portable yet functional input device. With no high-concerned chemicals, it offers a safe and reliable user experience, making it a versatile addition to any setup. Number 4. AULA Hero 68E. The Bits Gaming Keyboard is a high-performance, wired mechanical keyboard designed for desktop use, featuring a compact 68-key layout and dynamic RGB lighting that enhances the gaming experience. It is equipped with durable PBT keycaps and innovative magnetic switches, ensuring a responsive and ergonomic design suitable for long gaming sessions. The keyboard also emphasizes a harmonious customer experience, with a focus on original products and responsive service, encouraging users to reach out for any inquiries or assistance rather than resorting to disputes. Originating from mainland China, this product is ideal for gaming enthusiasts and offers a variety of features tailored for competitive esports, including a gasket design that enhances comfort and performance. Number 5. AULA Win68E Keyboard. The AULA Win68E Esports Magnetic Switch Wired Mechanical Keyboard is designed for competitive gaming, featuring a lightweight and portable build that enhances the gaming experience. This keyboard boasts an impressive 8K return rate, ensuring rapid and accurate keystrokes, which is crucial for high-stakes gameplay. Equipped with hot swappable magnetic switches, including options like the recommended Wing Chun magnetic axis, the keyboard offers customizable precision with varying initial and bottom pressures, making it adaptable to individual preferences. With a metal positioning plate for durability, PBT keycaps for longevity, and a wired USB connection, this keyboard is optimized for desktop and laptop use. Additionally, it supports a beast mode for enhanced precision, making it an excellent choice for esports enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance. The keyboard also includes wrist support for comfort during extended gaming sessions and is compatible with a web driver for customization.